Later we have the mitzvah of Korban Pesach, where Kedusha Baruch Hu tells Klal Yisrael, take the blood of the Korban Pesach and put it on the doorposts. And Rashi tells us that it had come the time that Klal Yisrael needed to be redeemed. Hashem was going to take them out of Mitzrayim, but Kedusha Baruch Hu saw that they didn't have schusim, they didn't have mitzvahs, which would give them the ability to be nigal, to be redeemed. So Kedusha Baruch Hu gave them two mitzvahs: Dam Pesach, the blood of Pesach, Dam Milah, and the blood of Milah, because they all got a bris milah on that night before bringing the Korban Pesach. And one can ask, what's the emphasis on dam, on blood? Rashi should have just said he gave them the mitzvah of Pesach and the mitzvah of Milah. Why dam Pesach, dam Milah? And the Nesivos Sholom says that HaKadosh Baruch Hu was giving them the two most fundamental things that they needed to have in order to leave Mitzrayim and become the Am HaNivcha, the chosen people. Dam, blood, represents Mesiras Nefesh. For a person to figuratively spill his blood for Hashem's sake. And HaKadosh Baruch Hu was telling them, you need to be able to be Mesiras Nefesh in two areas. Pesach represents Emunah, because of the great Emunah revelation of Hashem that they saw that night, when Hashem himself came down to Mitzrayim and killed the Mitzrayim and spared Klal Yisrael. Milah represents Kedusha in the areas of morality. HaKadosh Baruch Hu said, with these two things you will leave Mitzrayim and you'll become the holy nation that Klal Yisrael is meant to be. If you'll be Mesiras Nefesh to keep your Emunah intact, and you'll be Mesiras Nefesh to keep your Kedusha, your purity intact. And perhaps that's why it was placed on the doorway, to show that these two midas, they're the entryway. They're the entryway to becoming the Am HaNivcha, the Mamlechas Kayanim, the Klal Yisrael is.